Welcome to the Valley of Arif's Multimedia Education. Let us enjoy a wife's Bengali letter to husband. স্বামীকে লেখা স্ত্রীর এই চিঠিতে যথাস্থানে বিরাম চিহ্ন দিতে না পারায় চিঠিটি নিম্নরূপ হইয়াছে। খোকার বাবা, আমার সালাম গ্রহণ করিও না। জানি কেমন আছো ওখানে খোকা। কয়েকদিন ধরিয়া পাতলা পায়খানায় ভুগিতেছে ছাগলটি। এক মাস যাবৎ ঝিমাইতেছে গেদির মা। আজ সকালে বাড়ি চলিয়া গিয়াছে মুরগি কয়েকটি। বিক্রি করিয়াছে খুকিকে। বই কিনিয়া দিতে হইবে গরুর জন্য। ওষুধ কিনিব তোমার। বাড়ি আসা প্রয়োজন না। আসিলে আমি গলায় দড়ি দিব। বিরাম চিহ্নের বিড়ম্বনা। সঠিকভাবে বিরাম চিহ্ন ব্যবহার না করলে এই ভুলগুলো হয়ে থাকে। সঠিক রূপটা কী হবে? খোকার বাবা, আমার সালাম গ্রহণ করিও। না জানি কেমন আছো ওখানে। খোকা কয়েকদিন ধরিয়া পাতলা পায়খানায় ভুগিতেছে। ছাগলটি এক মাস যাবৎ ঝিমাইতেছে। গেদির মা আজ সকালে বাড়ি চলিয়া গিয়াছে। মুরগি কয়টি বিক্রি করিয়াছি। খুকিকে বই কিনিয়া দিতে হইবে গরুর জন্য। ওষুধ কিনিব। তোমার বাড়ি আসা প্রয়োজন। না আসিলে আমি গলায় দড়ি দিব। How are you, my friend? Said Rebecca to Rabea. I'm fine. And you? I'm also fine. I sent you an email last night. Did you find it? What are the problems with the sentences? Punctuation. So our today's lesson is punctuation. So learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we'll be able to identify the definition of punctuation, identify the names of the punctuation, use punctuation where necessary. At first, we have to know what is punctuation. Follow the passage. Fahim said to me, have you finished reading the book I gave you yesterday? Yes, I have finished reading the book. I replied, what an interesting book it is. I said, will you return the book to me today? He asked. The passage does not express a clear meaning as there is no punctuation mark in this passage. Follow this passage. Fahim said to me, comma, inverted comma start. Have you finished reading the book I gave you yesterday? Question mark. Inverted comma close. Again inverted comma. Y capital, yes, comma, I capital. I have finished reading the book. Full stop. Inverted comma close. I replied. Again inverted comma. What an interesting book it is! Exclamation mark. Inverted comma close. I said, full stop. Inverted comma start. W capital, will you return the book to me? Question mark. Inverted comma close. He asked. Full stop. The passage expresses a clear meaning as there are proper punctuation marks in this passage. So, the symbols which are used in the sentences to make their meaning clear are called punctuations. What are the punctuations? The punctuations are as follows. Number 1, full stop. Number 2, comma. Number 3, semicolon. Number 4, colon. Number 5, note of interrogation or question mark. Number 6, note of exclamation or exclamation mark. Number 7, inverted comma. Number 8, apostrophe. Number 9, hyphen. Number 10, dash. And number 11, brackets. Number 1, use of full stop. He is a good student. He reads his lessons regularly. After his Fajr prayer, he reads the Quran with his mother. What are the mistakes with the sentences? Full stop. So now he is a good student, full stop. He reads his lessons regularly, full stop. After his Fajr prayer, he reads the Quran. Full stop is used to stop fully. Number 2, use of comma. Comma is used for multi-purpose. He eats orange, comma, apple, comma, mango, comma, banana, and berry. If there is more than two same kinds of parts of speech in a sentence, comma is used after each noun, and the last two nouns are added with and. Comma is used to stop shortly. Use of comma 2. Sunday Arifur Rahman, lecturer of English, conducts his class very spontaneously. Comma is used before and after case in apposition. Use of comma 3. Tell me, my dear friend, how can I help you? If there is vocative case at the beginning of the sentence, at the middle of the sentence, comma is used after first vocative and second vocative. Use of comma 4. I think Dr. Zakir Naik is the best scholar in comparative religion. Comma is used after absolute construction in both the beginning or in the middle. Use of comma 5. Black and white, rich and poor, all are equal to Allah. Comma is used after more than one pair of words. Now, use of comma 6. He said, comma, inverted comma start. Number 10, a lie. Comma is used after reporting verb in direct speech. Now, use of comma 7. Running away. The criminals escaped themselves. Comma is used after adjective or adverb phrase if it is at the beginning or at the middle. Use of comma 8. He is indeed a gentleman. Comma is used before the repetition of the same word. Use of comma 9. If he comes, comma, I will help. Comma is used after adverb clause. Use of comma 10. He is uneducated and he a gentleman. Comma is used before omission of verb in the sentence. Activities. Use of full stop and comma where necessary. So this will be your homework, and you can check the answer in this way. May Allah bless you.